welcome back to CGR, where today we are going to take a quick look at the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, and this is the Adventure Combo. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that comes with it, and let's start with it. Let's get to unboxing. Okay guys, so we are back. So we are going to do this quick live unboxing on the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Adventure Combo. Now, I picked up this one off of my local Best Buy, and they have many combos, which you could get either just the camera. They have the most popular one to me is the Adventure Combo, and they have other ones they have for like diving or anything like that, but the most commonly carried one is this one. So, as you can see, we got a nice little open tab right here. Reminds me of like the Apple when you're opening your iPhone. Looks like that's the only tab. Yes sir, it is. And here we go. So let's pull off this right here. Let's pull off this right here. So this Adventure Combo does come with a nice set of things. So nothing else left on the box. So that is all for that. SD card is separate. So this one on here, as you can see, comes with your extension rod, 3 batteries, a battery case, and of course your Osmo Action 5 camera. So here we have the rod. So as you could see, we have the rod. It has a protection film on it, which we could take off. And it's got the nice DJI Action on here. It's got it so you could, looks like it has for like a wrist strap, and so you could put it on a tripod. And as you can see, it extends. I would have to look up how far it extends, but it does extend very far. Now, I have no issues with this one. I will carry this in my carrying case. I have a carrying case that I just ordered off Amazon, which if you want to see it, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can see that one, because I do have a DJI Osmo Action mini extension rod, which has the tripod legs. Now, moving on, we have our accessories. We have our USB-C to USB-C. All right. This one, I can't tell off the bat what it is. Okay, I see it. So it looks like it's just the adapter to mount the camera up. You can see, you have that there. And then we have our nice DJI. It's like a packet with stickers, instructions, and we have our battery case. So let's look at the battery case. Yes, here you can see it. It's got, see, so it looks like these batteries need to be charged, and you do get 3 batteries. One is normally always with the camera, and then you get 2 extra. And then up here, it says that it has 2 slots for SD card storage. So you can see it on there. Honestly, it looks like you could have 3 SD cards, but on the box it just says 2 SD cards. And as you can see, you just pull it out and get a battery. And you got 3. Nice DJI logo. Very, very nice looking Osmo on the side. USB-C. Put that to the side. And that is it on the accessory box. So, moving on, we have our Osmo Action 5 Pro. So we have this here. Okay, so I could tell this is the protective case off the bat already. And that is it on our other box. Nothing else. So, let's look at our protective case. Okay, so in the protective case were all these extra accessories. So here we have the protective case to protect it from scratches, anything dropping it, which is nice. And especially if you put it in this case, it mounts like this, and you can mount it horizontally. So I mean, I'm gonna be using the case for just protection, and it came with another mount, and then it came with two of these, which you can use one for the extension, and then an extra, and it came with this one with a double-sided tape, where honestly you can mount this anywhere. I could probably put this on my car, a dashboard, something. It's just something included extra. Very nice to see. And all these extra things are because it is on the Adventure combo. Remember, if you buy the camera alone, you will just get the camera and one battery. It came with this. I honestly have to look at the manual because I don't know what this is for. I've just seen it on here. And of course, we have the star of the show. We have the Action 5 Pro. Very nice. It feels premium. I'm telling you guys, I've never had a GoPro anything. I honestly wanted a GoPro because I feel like they were the the OG, the pioneer that started this. And I'm gonna tell you, I think the main reason I went with this one is because I have a lot of DJI equipment, and especially the microphones. On the GoPros, it's like you have to link something up. Like, honestly, I don't know, but I think you have to connect something through USB-C. And with this one, it works with the new DJI Mic 2s. And you don't have to hook up anything to it. So, nothing beats. You can have a great video, but if your audio is not there, that is the number one thing that takes me away from any video, honestly. And as you can see, we have our protective film. Very, very nice. Very premium feeling camera. I will not lie to you guys. And as you can see, this lens does screw off to protect the main lens. As you can see, it does have a rubber protection around it. So this is not the main lens. This is just to protect it. Underneath is the main lens. We got our screen and our other screen in the back. It feels very, very premium. And again, this just goes in here, which I won't put it in here right now. But so I'm gonna flip my camera around and show you guys that is everything that comes in it. I'm gonna flip it around because I do want to show you something about this battery case. So 1 second. Okay guys, so coming back to this DJI multi-battery case, I was looking up some reviews about it, and the only reason I'm including this part is because I feel it's not talked about enough. So it is, how can I say this? So as you can see, I am on their website and I am looking at this same pack. This same pack alone costs $69. So as you guys can see it right there. And it will come with 2 batteries. And it tells you right there. But what some people are not understanding off of this pack, they're advertising it as a power bank. It is not an actual power bank, where, as you can see on my DJI Mic 1s, you could charge this, and when you put your mics in, it will recharge it. Now, here you have your batteries. As you can see, they need to be charged. They're not dead, but they just need a battery charge. And as you can see, when I close it, it's not charging. It's not an actual power bank. So as I was reading on the website, what it's actually saying is it's a carry case for your batteries. And once you have all batteries, or even if you had 1 battery, 2, or all 3, and just this button is just to check the charge level. It doesn't turn it on. It doesn't do anything. It will do something if you had the Type-C connected on here. And let's say I hooked up my Type-C to my iPhone and then I hit this button, the batteries in here act as the power bank. So I will be able to charge my iPhone or any other accessory, but I am draining the batteries in here. So that's what makes it a power bank. But separately, as you can see how slim it is, it does not have an internal battery. So it's not like I will pull a battery out from here, and when I put it back in, it will not charge it. As you can see, I clicked it, lights up, and usually you know, with the, if you have the mic 1, you understand, but it will start charging right now. So if I had all 3 batteries in here right now charging, and I hook it up, put any accessory, my cell phone or a watch or something, it will charge. It will charge, but your 3 batteries in here act as the internal battery, and then your device is being charged. But doing that, you know, is going to drain the batteries you have in here. Not a lot of people are talking about it because even on the website, the words are misleading because they're advertising it as, how could I tell you, a power bank. And I have the mic 1 and I do have the DJI mic 2, understand that when they come in this case, we know that they have an internal battery and they charge. I am just trying to clarify that for anybody if you think that this charges it. The cool factor about this is that it charges by itself. How can I say it? Not by itself, I'm saying you could charge all 3 batteries at once. So you could have all 3 in here, put your Type-C, and you're charging all 3 batteries at once. You got your slots for your SD cards, and you could, look how slim it is. You could put this in your pocket and carry it, and now you have batteries. So you could really have 4 batteries, and 1 battery costs $35, which if you had 1 on the camera already, that's 1, and you would have 3 in here. You could film all day. I love that. I love that. And like I said, I could pair up my DJI mic 2. Unfortunately, I do not know why they could not pair up with the mic 1. You can use your DJI mic 1, but you need to hook up your transponder. And as you know, opening that on the camera now is not making it waterproof. So I had to buy the mic 2 in order. And I think that was the biggest reason in film quality and easiness that I went with DJI's Action 5, the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So just trying to clarify this for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. I just want to show you everything that comes in the adventure combo. So I think it's worth it because as you can see, this alone is $69. And then you're including the handle, accessories, everything else. For, I think the camera alone is $350 or $369, somewhere around there. Prices may vary now, but the adventure combo is $449 when I bought this one at Best Buy. So this is all that comes with it. I am just trying to clarify this so that everybody is well and understands this, because this is something really that nobody talks about. Everybody just says battery bank, but it's not a bank, and it is. Once you have your batteries charged, you can charge something else with it. So clarifying that. But please like, share, subscribe. I hope you liked the video. Watch for the next video. I actually have the tripod. I have another tripod from DJI because I do not like this one. I don't like this one. It is cool for maybe a trip. See? And it is very, very long. It goes longer, but it has no tripod feature. I can't stand it. You know, it has nothing. So the one I have, I bought separately, and it is coming. And I am going to do a review on it. So if you want to see that, click the channel. Please like, share, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll catch you guys later.